Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to Tool Review Wednesdays. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but I wanted to really test out these products before I actually put out reviews on them instead of just getting the product from the manufacturer and saying it's good to go, okay? So today we're going to talk about the Underhood light from Milwaukee, and it's a saving grace in the automotive industry right now because there's no one out there that really puts out a good Underhood light with true view lighting, good quality LED lighting on there that actually lasts, okay? A lot of them, you gotta plug them in still, or if you want it to be rechargeable like this one, it's like 2 hours runtime max. Whereas this one right here on high, which is what I use all the time, it's 4 hours, and then on low it can last 8 hours. That's a full work day. So if they really made this light right, and I think they priced it right, being right around $249 for the battery, charger, and lights, whereas just the light by itself is $199. So that's right where every other light is out there that's rechargeable like this. But this one, it just blows the competition away. So it's a really good price. And actually Home Depot right now has this light with the battery that comes with it, a 4.0 amp hour battery, and a free 3.0 battery for it. So it's a great deal for the exact same price. You can just hot swap the batteries out and just keep going throughout the day. The nice part about this light is that it's very versatile. It's not just an Underhood light and that's it. I used to use this thing for all kinds of stuff because the light itself detaches from the bracket. So it just simply snaps in right here, and you can take it with you. So I'll bring it underneath the vehicle. When I used to work on the ground with no lift, I'd lay it just like this, pointing up at the underbody, and it provided tons of light underneath there. Also, there's a hook right here, so you can hang it from under the vehicle. I do that now with the lift. And then also with the 4.0 battery pack in there, it's got a nice heavy wide base down here, so it'll actually just stand up in the middle of the floor there and point wherever you need it, and it provides light. So it has a lot of uses from construction to Underhood light uses like this for working on cars. Now what's nice about this is that it has an aircraft grade aluminum frame and a light itself, so it's very, very strong, nice strong springs in there, so it actually matches up quite well to the smaller hoods and of course to the bigger hoods. It won't flex in the middle with the long spans and the bigger hoods on there. Now what's nice is that you simply go over, you hook it, and then you hook it, you adjust it wherever you want, and then you turn it on, okay? And then once you have it on, you can pivot it wherever you want it on here too. So this right here is the high mode, which lasts about 4 hours with this battery pack, and then you put to low mode and it lasts 8 hours. And low is actually good enough. For me though, I just put it on high, get my tons of light in there all across the area I'm working, and I'll just keep swapping out packs. No sweat because the charger's right here on the side of the box, and I just keep swapping them out that way. So let me turn the lights off and let you guys see exactly how bright it is under the hood here and how even the light is. The key here though is that this has what they call true view lighting, which is like HD lighting, so you get the color still instead of the cheaper LEDs, which it's all just kind of whited out on there. So it helps with any kind of wiring diagnosis and stuff like that, or you're trying to see wire pinstripes and all that stuff like that. Now just for comparison, I turned the lights off here. Here's the Milwaukee stick light. Yeah, it has good lighting to it. It's nice and bright, true view, all that good stuff. But it's very localized. You can see right here. It's a pain working on vehicles like this. By comparison, you get something like this, a stick light. Yeah, you have pretty good lighting. You got to hold it right there in that place though. So this, you simply strap it onto the hood here and watch this. Boom. Look at that difference under the hood here. Even lighting all the way across. And that is why whenever I pull a vehicle into the shop here, that's the very first thing I do is strap this light on there, turn on high, and then I can start getting to work. Makes it so much easier working on these vehicles with proper lighting. Now with that being said, there are some negatives about this light. Now the very first one for me anyways is battery life. This battery lasts every 4 hours on high and 8 hours on low, and I'm working here 12, 14 hours a day, so you can imagine how many times I'm changing that battery pack out per day. Now it's not a huge issue for me because I have other 4.0 battery packs ready to go on the charger on the cabinet here, so I swap them out and you just keep on trucking. But the problem is when this light gets low, it has a feature built in where it starts flashing on you to let you know you need a new battery soon and to get one ready. Now the problem with that is that you may be doing something critical on the engine, like putting a rocker arm setting into place, maybe looking through a wire loom, and the thing just starts flashing on you like a disco. It's very dangerous in my opinion, and it should be taken out as a feature on these lights. Like the one time I was under the vehicle, I was torquing down a pinion nut, collapsing that spacer in there, and it's one of those things where you're really putting a lot of torque on, you need to concentrate, you need to watch stuff, and the thing just starts flashing on me, and it got me all disorientated under the vehicle. So it can be dangerous in situations like that, and that's the one feature I don't like about this. But otherwise, the light is really solid, it's super bright, it's super reliable, and I use it every day on every vehicle that I bring into here, and it just blows the competition away. And it's priced the same as the competition. $200 for the bare light if you have M12 batteries already, or $249 you get a battery and charger with it. And like I said, Home Depot has that deal right now where the 3.0 battery pack extra one is free. So it's a great deal right now from the Home Depot. That's all for now. I hope you guys got something out of this. This is real world reviews on these lights. Like I said, I use this thing for about a year now on every vehicle, and it stood the test of time, and it meets my approval. I'll see you guys next time.